ago we bought the 240SX, and the plan was to wait for it to be painted, but I have no self-control and I want to insure the car quickly. Now, because maybe in the next video, probably in the next video, the car is going to be up and running and driving on the street. But I wanted to show you guys the process of the car. The car looked nothing like this. The roof was caved in, the glass was cracked in the back, glass cracked in the front. It was hit on the side over there. And over the past few weeks, we've been trying to sort of put the car together to the state it looks now.
You see that? It's nightmare for you. Look at the fender in the apartment. That's why the guy is very crying. How much material he spent on it already? This one?
The headlight?
No.
The fender.
You see, he pulling.
Oh, yeah.
Something, I don't know, he was crying, that's why he said this car is not lined up. I don't know what he was pulling. He was pulling something. I didn't know that. This side was pulling, he pulled it. If it was damaged, maybe the quarter panel was damaged.
What was the quarter panel?
Something, he bring it this one, look.
Very good.
He's a brilliant guy. Look at this, come and show you. I show you something, you wouldn't believe that.
This is very good.
Look this quarter panel. No, where's the quarter panel? Come and show you, here. Listen. Roof, he welded it, look. You still have to go to body through everything. When originally you bring it.
It was so bad. I have pictures.
You have pictures?
Yes.
When you originally bring it, look at it.
So this is the roof. What is this?
I don't know if this is quarter panel or something. I don't know what this is yours.
It's same color.
Same color, I don't know. Something like
This is the roof area for the car. It was all banged up. As you can see, lots of bangs. And this is the car right now, still a work in progress. It drives. For the SX, it's starting to look like a car again. We did a new headlight. The roof is back on. The paint hasn't been done. A lot of body work. The hood? The hood. That's the roof. That's taken off. It's all crumpled, broken. Yeah, that's the old hood, yeah. The smashed hood right over there. But the car is looking nice. So in a few weeks, we're gonna see the car and it's gonna be looking nice. This is our roof, and as you can see, it's caved in over here. It was rolled over significantly bad, so all of this had to come out to be able to save that. So buying the car, we got the whole car kind of with the set. The only thing we had to source was one of the fenders, but we got the car. The previous owner had already sourced the roof, so that was easy there. We got the roof, we got the headlights. This lens over here, but we got the headlights, and the car is currently at this state. I'm so excited. Can't wait to drive it. Now, deciding what to paint the car has been kind of the issue. I wanted to keep it the red, but I've been going over cherry red for the color. Cherry red did not come to Canada. It's a really nice deep-ish red. I wanted to try to paint it cherry red or keep the red it came with, or go hot red, which could be an option, but I can't decide, which is where I am. But the car came with coilovers. It came with these nice wheels, which really good. It's got good set of tires, Advan Sport S Plus tires. It's been well taken care of. The inside is really clean. All the parts there, and we'll do a complete walk around once it's done. But eager to show you the new car. So we got the 240 with the pop-up headlights. That his color is hot red. I don't know, man. I don't know. I really want cherry red. Maybe get that Stan Stout 240 that a lot of people have on the internet. I probably wouldn't do that. I probably would keep it right height. It did come with a body kit. I don't know what it is. I'm new to the Nissan community, Nissan world. So I'm looking for a lot of support and help with Nissan. They tend to be Generally, I hear they're not as reliable as Toyota, so we'll kind of figure that out. I promise the inside is really clean. It's getting prepped now to be painted a little bit, and all of this, hoping all of this will be fixed, I hope, because that don't look the best right now. But this looked way worse. So looking at it here, maybe I should take a step back. Looking at it here like this is immensely very different. You can tell this car was properly taken care of. The old owner had taste. And this is all to check BC Racing. BC Racing coilovers. Okay, with BC Racing coilovers. So someone, at some point, really loved this car. You've got a Mishimoto. It's a really nice thing. It's really nice underneath. And this guy said he couldn't find paint code. Why couldn't you find a paint code? I don't know, man. Just excited. It's an old ass car, but hopefully we're gonna use it and enjoy it for some time. Anyhow, we're gonna end this here. We'll see you guys once hopefully the car is out on the road. Cheers.